She loved this place, the island and the motley green. She loved the trees, the moss, the ferns, and yes, she even loved the bees. She loved the woods. She did not sing, but here sometimes she sang a song or two, a broken lullaby to her child, a little girl nestled in her womb. Mob cattails, a small field of them, swaying in the wind, her lute. She loved this place, the ocean and the wind. She loved the shore, orange crabs, seashells and sand dollars, her lute. And the strewn driftwood, calcified, bone-white, anatomical, askew. She loved it too. She loved the names of things, names like blue poppies and dogwood tree. She loved the nest, the mama bald eagle and the hummingbird, and though it eluded her, she loved the hooting owl too. And the rainbows spilling over her desk as she wrote those early afternoons, she loved them too. She loved the open twilight sky, Venus and the crescent moon. She did not sing, but here she heard more than a song or two, so many odd bird calls, and the frogs at night, as she read by lantern light, Emma, Thoreau, and Stafford too. Color haiku. Imagination, tiny, petulant blue flame, morphs into a wren. In the hospital, hazy sunlight, rubber trees, red saber-toothed dreams. Remember, Papa? From walnut shells and paper floated white sailboats. As they wheel you in, your gray oyster eyes widen, a final hurrah. In the Zen garden, the yellow carps glide, just our turtles alert, watch. A single brown duck among the carps and turtles, just drifting, drifting. Lime green hummingbird, coy speckled sprite waltzing by, halting in delight. Under this purple tree in all, an old jacaranda, daydream of Aja. Anarchist dreamers, divining owls of spirit, a lone white lily. Odd forest green tree, the little princess baobab holds me in his eye. When the moment comes, the mind upset numbs itself, drifting violet clouds. Sweet forgetting, wired even of wild mauve terror, song-making in birds. Lulling childhood breeze, Vivaldi's blue violins, I succumb to sleep. City of glaciers, windswept, a swinging blue door, a lone chair, waiting. And what of envy? Green lymphocytes waging to no breath or avail. Oh, insanity, yellow waking from the clocks, calling the bluff of. When you first awake, time on a white horse gallops, an old man, content. Lullaby. Eyes and trees, and maybe a bee. I know words will not stop the armies or the tortures, and these days I think of little besides. Still I draw imaginary trees, eyes and trees, and even a bee.